Hey everyone, this is Lynn from Subpar Planning. I thought I'd do a quick little pseudo unboxing because clearly I opened the package. I wasn't about to wait to be able to videotape it because I just wanted to get into this thing. Of my Filofax Pocket Topaz. I consider it a turquoise color, but I actually think it's technically it's light blue. So anyways, this is the turquoise, and it's, the topaz, and I like it because it's really little. I mean, it's got some small rings. It came with a bunch of stuff in it, and then there's all these other things that came with it. I got a notepad, I got paper, I got addresses, I got all this stuff. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, but this is the topaz. This came to me used, so this is not brand new. Luckily, I've been able to find some of my planners new. The Amazona, which actually isn't made anymore, I managed to get new, and I also managed to get my Filofax, my Austerly in orange, which I think is coming today, and I'll do an unboxing of that probably tomorrow or Wednesday. That is coming to me new too, even though, you know, they're a little bit older, although I think they're still making the Austerly. I just don't know if they're I don't know, I haven't been able to find a lot of colors. I've seen a lot of the gray. So this is the Pocket Topaz by Filofax. It's got the little embossed F on there. You can't really see it. It's pretty good condition. It's got, I mean, I'm a really big kind of a texture girl, so I like having that texture on there. You can kind of see it. So I just like texture because I feel like you can hold it. It gives me something to grip. So anyways, it's got a popper, but it's invisible. You can't really see it. The typical Filofax snap. And then if you open it, this is the stuff that's in it. It's got the 3 card slots, and then it's got the little secretarial pocket, which is kind of nice. Actually, I will probably put a planner clip in here, or maybe 2. So I could totally use that for something like that. And then this is the stuff that it came with. So I've got diary notes, information, addresses, blah, 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 those things. Came with this little fella, which is actually really cool because I don't see a lot of the Filofax ones with the little metal. I see them a lot with the plastic. And then a little pocket, which is kind of nice. And then some note pages. And then it's got a gusseted pocket in the back. And it's kind of nice because it's pretty tight up in there, so it doesn't look like it's actually been used very much. And it's got a fairly small pen loop. It is not elasticized, so you kind of have to be a little picky about what you decide to put in there. Probably the Filofax mini pen will probably fit really nicely. This does not have a back pocket, and I believe that the rings are 15 millimeters. They're pretty tight though. I was pretty impressed, considering this is new. But there are no other pockets, so this is a fairly compact pocket planner because it doesn't really give you the opportunity to stuff. Like you can't stuff it like you can a Malden, you can't stuff it like you can the Amazon or the whole horn. But I want to say that the rings are 15 millimeter, and I will definitely verify that before it, so there'll probably be some blurb that comes up. And then this is the little ruler that came with it, which is kind of cute. So a little today ruler. The nice thing about these, again, is these pocket inserts for me are just way too tiny, but in this situation where there's not a lot of space, I would probably have to use these pocket inserts. I don't think I could use the ones that I made. The ones that I made are generally a lot larger. I've got a good 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch in length that I add to my particular pages, but it's because I hand cut them and I kind of like that. So this is what I do. I hand cut them down, so I'm pretty sure that this would not fit. Of these, I think it'd be okay, but if I try to add more than that, I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, there's just no way. I don't think that would be very smart. I think if I tried to add multiple pages, the pen loop's gonna hit it and it's just gonna get all cranked out. That'll kind of drive me crazy. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick little video of this little bad boy. It doesn't lay flat. It's pretty stiff. It's got a stiffener in there, so it's not like I mean, I'm pretty sure I can get it to lay flat at some point. Maybe not right now. But if I work on it, I bet I can get it to go. The only other thing that I did last night was I took one of these, if I can find it. If I can find it, because I'm all backwards. Because I can't keep track of my own stuff. This is the Make Cool Stuff book from Michaels, and I like it because the pages are black. It's just like thin black construction paper, but it's sized for personal, as you can see by the things. But the cool thing about it is it's got gold leaf edging on the sides. So I thought I'd get all crazy pants and try cutting those pages down to see what I could do, because I thought it'd be kind of fun to do like a black background calendar insert. And so what I did was I cut them down last night. I measured them to these pages, which are like my favorite, and then I just cut them to size. So I still managed to keep the gold edging, but I lost it, I think, at the top. Yeah, so I lost the gold edging at the top. But I thought that'd be kind of fun to do like a black page calendar spread for like a month, where I can use like my metallic pencils, and I have like metallic markers and blah 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 blah. So I did that last night because clearly I'm never really satisfied with it. But anyways, this is my Amazona. This is the Topaz. You can see they're fairly, you can see, I just don't necessarily think the Topaz will ever be able to fill this bad boy. I'll be able to fill it like I can with this bad boy, but you know, this might be kind of fun for when I'm not taking classes, or like when I have a break from school or something, and I can just put like my calendar in there and just kind of call it good. I really like the three pockets. That's kind of nice. You can fit some crap up in here. So yeah, this is the Filofax Pocket Topaz, and I believe the coloring is light blue, and I believe that the rings are 15 millimeters, and I will look that up before I post it. So pow, there it is. It's a cute little bastard. But then again, aren't all pocket planners cute? So, boom. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it's so long. Have a nice day, and I hope you're warm wherever you are. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, not comment, whatever. It's cool. Alright, deuces. Bye.